Hey there, fellow programmers and code enthusiasts! Are you ready to enter the fantastic world of Rust and become the coolest coder on the block? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how to install Rust on Ubuntu 22.04. Let's get this show on the road and start our journey to becoming a true Rustician. Alrighty, first things first. Let's head on over to the Rustlang website, which is just one click away. Don't worry, no evil hackers lurking here. Now, copy the command they've so kindly provided for us. Go ahead and paste that bad boy right into your terminal and feel the power of Rust surging through your fingertips. Now, you're going to be faced with a truly monumental decision. Which installation option to choose? Just kidding, it's super easy. Just pick the first option for the default installation. No fuss, no muss. It's like choosing between cake and more cake. With the installation done, it's time to flex those programming muscles and check if Rust is ready for action. Open a new terminal and type rustdc version. You should see the Rust version pop up like a delightful, nerdy surprise. Go ahead, give yourself a pat on the back. You're doing great, champ. Now that Rust is all set up, let's create a tiny little program to test the waters. You know, like dipping your toes in before diving into the deep end. Write a simple Hello World program, or if you're feeling adventurous, a joke for Rust developers. It's like a secret handshake among Rust aficionados. The time has come to compile and execute our program with rustdc. Brace yourself, because you're about to witness the magic of Rust in action. Bask in the glory of your creation as the output appears on your screen. And there you have it, my fellow code enthusiasts. You've successfully installed Rust on Ubuntu 22.04 and taken your first step towards becoming a Rustician. Enjoy your fresh install, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility. To create awesome Rust programs, that is. Happy coding, and may the Rust be with you.